How to draw in your PowerPoint presentation. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this quick and easy tutorial, I will be showing you how you can easily draw in your PowerPoint presentation. So as here you can see, I have this presentation right here in front of me, and let's say I want to draw something onto this particular presentation using my mouse, or let's say I have a stylus pen or something of that sort. So as here you can see, I currently don't have any such option to do that. So that is because the draw tab which appears here is currently disabled. So let me first show you how you can enable the draw tab, using which you can draw into your PowerPoint presentation. So to enable the draw tab, click onto this file tab over the top left corner, and then click onto this options button towards the bottom left. Once you click onto this options button, you can see this dialog box that appears right here, and from here you need to go to this customize ribbon tab, and under the customize ribbon you need to focus onto this main tabs, and under the main tabs simply click onto this draw button, and once this selection appears, click onto this OK button, and now you can see that a draw tab is appearing between the insert and the design tab. So open the draw tab, and using this you can draw freehand, or you can write anything as well. So you can use any tool, for example let's say the pen tool, and using this drop down arrow you can change its thickness as well as its color, and then this small circle will appear, using which you can write or draw anything into this particular slide. So that's how easily you can draw in your PowerPoint slides in Microsoft PowerPoint. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.